Hello today. I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this brand new KINGBOLEN Ediag Plus Bluetooth scanner. It's an all-system bi-directional control OBD2 diagnostic scanner for iOS and Android devices with ECU coding possibility, CAN FD protocol, Auto-VIN, 15+ service function, and 1 year free license. That's cool, because the KINGBOLEN Ediag Plus Bluetooth scanner equipped with 15+ resets, ECU coding, key matching, Bidirectional test, CAN FD protocol, Auto-VIN, full system diagnostic, 1 year free update, Bluetooth connection, makes our phone becomes a smart diagnostic scanner with wider working range, and we can operate the device conveniently. As an OE level full system diagnostic tool, this scanner supports read and clear fault codes, of course, read live data, of course, view Form 1 live data and text and graph, ECU informations, read control module informations, actuation tests and maintenance functions of ECM, ABS, BCM, SRS, TCM, BMS, TPMS, SAS, and AC system, etc., etc., etc. The diagnostic report reveals the fault codes fast, helps us to locate the related component deficiency. And the scanner covers in almost all commonly used maintenance, all light reset, battery reset, SAS calibrations, injector coding, IMMO matching, TPMS reset, ABS bleeding, electronic throttle learning, headlight matching, sunroof initialization, suspension matching, transmission learning, and more functions can be found in the car model. At this scanner here, this tool is used as an OE level scanner. ECU coding allows us to match replaced components with ECU data. Hidden flash function for BMW, for GM, for bands, etc. Whether we are a private owner or a professional technician, this scanner is powerful and handy scanner. Ooh, that's the right scanner for us. Coverage list may vary by a car brand and model, of course. This Bluetooth scan tool could send comments and receive information from ECU of the vehicle to test the solenoids and the actor's working status, which finds faults without using the vehicle controls and no need disassembling components, saving a lot of time to identify the root cause. We can use bidirectional test to check window up and down, wiper door test, rear mirror test, headlight test, and more. This scanner supports Auto-VIN and Auto-Scan technology. When we click the diagnostic menu, it will recognize the vehicle identification number and scan or a car quickly. This scanner helps to shorten diagnosis time and solve problems accurately. It works for the 1996 and newer cars with OBD1, OBD2, EOBD, JOBD, CAN FD, and over 120 plus cars. Models, over 10,000 models, and continuously updates. It fits most of the 12-volt cars out there, and light trucks, hybrids, and so on. The development of the vehicle technology on the market, CAN FD, has efficient and fast information transmission. On the basis of the traditional protocol support by Ediag Plus coder-encoder, the CAN FD makes the vehicle mode list richer and supports the latest for GM vehicles manufactured after 2020, which can run faster than other products to greatly enhance the user experience. Unlock protected SGWFCA vehicle models on the Chrysler, Ford, Dodge, etc. Fiat vehicles manufactured after 2019, and so on. Bi-directional control, really cool. 15+ service functions, nice. All system diagnosis and over 120 brands with FCA Auto-Auth and Auto-VIN scan ECU coding. Wow, that's a big bunch of possibility. We read codes that shows the detailed description of the diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs. We turn the clear encodes and reset functions to turn off the check engine light, MIL, that clears the code and reset the monitors. And we can use data stream that read and display live ECU and PCM data streams, plotting functions graphically and stored freeze frame data. And we can use IM read status. We read live data streams. We view freeze frame data. And we can make a sensor test. Onboard monitor test. We read the vehicle informations. We can make an all-light reader, a brake pad reader, an SAS calibration, injector coding, EGR, sunroof initialization, DPF, headlight matching, electronic throttle learning, battery reader, ABS bleeding, transmission learning, TPMS reset, suspension matching, and more. Wow, that's a big bunch of possibility. Of course, the first time we have to download the app. The app is easy. Download from the internet, App Store or Google Play Store. And this is the app of that. And after this, you can create an account. This is for free. Then we register and log in. We enter the SN to activate serial number of the device. We plug in the device and we can get a Bluetooth connection. We download diagnostic software and then we can start and have fun with that. For example, Chevrolet Tracker, Subaru, Tarrant, Cadillac, GMC, Chevrolet, nearly everything. 12 language settings available. Asian cars, European cars, American cars, Saturn, Lincoln, Dodge, Jeep, GM, Ford, Chrysler, Chevrolet, GMC, Buick, and so on. There's a big bunch of possibility to help in trouble time with your cars. This is possible with the KINGBOLEN Ediag Plus Bluetooth scanner. And after 1 year, you can refresh easily by paying not so much money to a license if you like. Or you let it though it is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.